Is it mandatory for firehouses to have both visual and audible fire alarms? Have you ever wondered how firehouses ensure the safety of their personnel during emergencies? One key element is the fire alarm system. So, is it mandatory for firehouses to have both visual and audible fire alarms? Let's break it down. Firehouses are required to have fire alarm systems that include both visual and audible signals. This requirement is based on standards set by the National Fire Protection Association, particularly the National Fire Alarm and Signaling Code. This code outlines the installation, performance, and maintenance of fire alarm systems in various buildings, including firehouses. Audible alarms produce sound signals like sirens or bells to alert everyone in the building of a fire or emergency. On the other hand, visual alarms use flashing lights or strobes. This is especially important for individuals who are deaf or hard of hearing. Why do firehouses need both types of alarms? Firehouses have diverse personnel, including those who may have hearing impairments or work in noisy environments. In such cases, audible alarms alone might not be effective. Visual alarms ensure that everyone is alerted promptly, regardless of their hearing ability or the noise level in the environment. According to the National Fire Protection Association Code, fire alarm systems in commercial and institutional buildings must have both audible and visible notification appliances. This is to comply with safety and accessibility standards. Firehouses are classified as commercial or institutional occupancies. They usually fall under business or assembly occupancy categories, depending on their size and function. The National Fire Protection Association code requires that fire alarm notification appliances be installed throughout the building. This includes sleeping areas, common areas, and workspaces. The use of both alarm types is critical for ensuring that firefighters and staff can respond quickly and safely to emergencies. Visual alarms are typically installed in hallways, sleeping quarters, and other areas where audible alarms may not be sufficient. Meanwhile, audible alarms must be loud enough to be heard over ambient noise, such as equipment or vehicle sirens. Regular testing and maintenance of fire alarm systems are essential. This ensures that both visual and audible components function correctly. Firehouses relying on these standards to maintain safe working and living environments. In summary, it is effectively mandatory for firehouses to have both visual and audible fire alarms. This requirement helps protect all occupants, including firefighters, by providing multiple forms of notification. This dual alarm system significantly enhances safety, ensuring that alarms are noticed regardless of hearing ability or ambient noise conditions.